Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and if you are anything like me, you have totally spaced on bringing a side dish to the family table. So I have a super quick and easy recipe that's guaranteed to be a hit. Cranberry Salsa. Let's go ahead and dive in. So let's start off with some jalapeno peppers. If you want a mild salsa, slice it up and cut the seeds out. If you want it to have a little bit more of a kick, feel free to use the whole thing. We're going to throw our jalapenos into a food processor along with sugar, lime juice, and of course a ton of fresh cranberries. Now let the machine do its thing. Dump your fresh salsa into a bowl, get yourself a bag of chips, and let's plate this dish. Doesn't that just scream Christmas to you? It is amazing how much flavor you can get out of something that was this easy to make. There's a nice sweetness to it with our cranberries, and our jalapenos are there to remind you that there's just a little bit of heat still. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let us know what are some of your favorite side dishes. If you liked our food processor, we'll have a link in the description below. We are Amazon associates, so a portion of the sales goes directly to support the channel. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Hey, honey. Daddy's gonna cut himself.
I'm not going to cut myself.
She accepts that you're gonna cut yourself.
I'm not going to cut
She doesn't care that you're gonna cut yourself.
I'm not going to cut myself.
Okay, son.